So I went to wear my silver bracelet today and I noticed how tarnished it was and dirty. It just looks really bad. And there's no way I could wear it like that. I'd be embarrassed for anybody to see it like that. So I grabbed my Connoisseurs jewelry wipes. These are great dry disposable jewelry wipes. They come in this cute little compact, which is great if you travel and you just want to throw it in your bag. You bring jewelry with you, and when you travel, and you can just clean it up real quick with a few wipes, and then just throw away the cloth when you're done. And wow, you can already see, look at that, how much dirt's coming off. You can see how clean it looks now. It really looks like new. Wow. These things are amazing. And it doesn't take too much effort. Look at that. That is amazing. Look how shiny.